What is up YouTube and what is up Geek Army, and welcome again to another show here at Era of the Geeks. And today I've got the review of the Tecware Phantom TKL, which is TKL stands for 10 keyless, and I have not been using 10 keyless in the previous videos. I haven't done a review on them, and I haven't really used it like for gaming or for work and everything. So here's my opinion on what I think about the Tecware Phantom TKL. Whether it's a low-budget PC or building a 17,000 or even 40,000 ringgit gaming system, Lucro PC has got you covered. Check out the link below for a free system quote today. Now, first off, for those of you who don't know what TKL means, TKL is 10 keyless, which means there are 87 keys instead of the standard 104 keys. And physically, what you don't see is the number pad on the keyboard. So for me, when I edit videos, sometimes I like to bind keys on the numpad, and sometimes in games as well I like to bind the keys at the numpad, but I didn't notice much. I adapted really quickly. Since most of the binds I can move to the left side of the keyboard and where all the main keys are, which I always use. So in terms of gaming and work, you could pretty much use it as well, except for when you're crunching numbers. I myself, when I crunch numbers, I would like to use the numpad. That's what I miss the most when I do calculations and whatever. That is what I mostly miss about it, but other than that, it is fine. Now, the keyboard itself by Tecware is quite a well thought design. The numbers, the fonts on the keycaps are not those somewhat like alien kind of fonts. It's the normal, people would easily understand the fonts on the keyboard, and the keycaps are double shot keycaps which will last basically forever. And then the switches they're using are different. They're not using the Cherry MX switches, they're using the Outemu switches, which the Cherry MX is a little bit louder than the Outemu brown switches. So as you can hear right now, and as for the overall brown switch from Outemu, it is a little bit slightly mushier than the Cherry MX brown, but it is not as noticeable and it's not as mushy as the Cherry MX red, so you're good with it. And it's a lot cheaper than the Cherry MX switch, and the lifetime expectancy is still about the same as the Cherry MX, but I have not run into any problems yet, so I guess it's fine for now. We will have to wait and see whether it will last like forever, 50 million keystrokes. I mean, that's basically when you die. Now, for the retail price of the Tecware Phantom TKL is about this much right here, and it's what I think is, it is a really affordable keyboard for a mechanical one, and it's a really well built, well made, well thought out. It doesn't flex as much as cheaper keyboards tend to, but this one is a really well thought out. It's like by gamers, for gamers, especially in the budget area. So the keys have different lighting options, which I will show you right now. It's not customizable. It doesn't have RGB. It is one color, either red or white, as the white one as I have here. That you can have the red one, and it has those function keys, the media keys, which are very helpful as well. At the same time, you're controlling your audio whenever, like for me, when I'm streaming, I can immediately mute the audio and everything, so I can have that quick privacy moment if I get a call when I'm streaming. Shameless plug again over here. Don't forget to follow me on Twitch. Yeah, twitch.tv Era of the Geeks. So overall, the experience of using the Tecware Phantom TKL is I quickly adapt you from the normal 104 keyboard layout to an 87 keyboard layout, which is also called 75%. Let's just call it TKL. It's much easier, and it is so affordable. This one I bought it myself. I didn't get it from Tecware. Although they are sending me other keyboards and other peripherals in the future, but this one right here, I bought this myself, and I think it is very much affordable for 100 plus ish ringgit. So if you're in the market looking for some great affordable budget mechanical keyboard, wow, that's a mouthful, I think the Tecware Phantom TKL is a very good option. Now, as usual guys, don't forget to like or dislike, comment and share and subscribe to this channel. Share this video to your friends if you think it will be helpful for your friends to decide which mechanical keyboard to go for, don't forget to do that. And also follow me on Twitch as well, because I stream almost every night. I mean, I've been streaming for the past 2 weeks, I guess, on twitch.tv/Era of the Geeks. Don't forget to do that, and I'll see you in the next one. Era of the Geeks, baby.
I got a condo in Manhattan. Baby girl, what's happening? You and your ass invited, so gonna get to clapping. Go pop it for a plan, pop it for me. Turn around and drop it for a plan, drop it for me.